Hi again. This second film is about the practical learning outcomes and theoretical knowledge that our PGA students are built up to during their 3 years at school. For us, being a PGA professional and potentially a sports director in a golf club first of all is a handcraft. We believe the proof is in the pudding and that theory only is a tool. Our PGA professionals are built up to become change agents that both have the ability to do the right things as well as to actually know why they do it. From our point of view, first-class golf coaching of players on all levels is core business, and if there is anything our PGA pros must master, golf coaching sure is. Let's get back to the proof in the pudding. Let's have a look how we make sure our PGA pros during their 3 years are built up to master golf coaching. This is how we do it. Norway have, as most other Scandinavian countries, a members magazine and web where the golf business is promoted. Golf instruction is a very important and desired part of content. What might be a little bit different in Norway is that our magazine not primarily promotes certain gurus. We promote a complete concept for player development on all levels. This concept, called Next Level Golf School, is made by the Federation and PGA. The idea is to inspire the golfer to be a part of the national program in their own golf club. You can basically say that the NGF and PGA have a fixed program that is made nationally but delivered locally. The synergies in this strategy are many. This is basically the same idea as the fitness centers. They are professionals in training for people in all ages and at all levels. Let's visit the fitness centers and have a look at how they organize training. There are 3 levels. 1. Use the facilities. 2. Train in groups. For example, aerobic. 3. Train with PT. The National Next Level Golf School is built up in a similar way. Level 1 is called Current State. Level 2 is 12 ready-to-use development programs. Level 3 is standard PT programs. It's like at McDonald's where the staff gets trained to make certain standardized burgers ready to sell, but instead of burgers, our students get trained to build training sessions and to build and follow workflows that continuously are improved, based on frequent feedback. So when we talk about learning outcomes for PGA students, we measure them in relation to how good they are to plan, deliver and evaluate sessions in the Next Level Golf School. Being a student in our program means that you are a part of the coach team that plan and run the golf school at a local golf club, which is our arena where theory turns into practice. The only thing that actually changes is that you become more and more responsible for the Next Level Golf School each year. Level 1 and 2 are assistants in sessions made for beginners. Level 3 are responsible for planning, to run and evaluate the entire program and to coach Level 1 and 2 coaches. The final semester, those who graduates are responsible in developing the Next Level Golf School as well as planning, running and evaluating a golf school for 70 guests in Spain. Let's summarize. Planning, developing, running and evaluating the Next Level Golf School is the overarching task for our students. Only the level of responsibility increases each year, as mentioned earlier. The proof is in the pudding. If our students are solving this task on each level, they obviously have the competences of being holistic coaches and leaders. The tutor team have these learning outcomes in sight throughout the years. Tests are executed on each level and our curriculums on level 1 to 3 builds up to these learning outcomes. The Next Level Golf School will, among other things, be presented for you here on site in Norway so that you can get an experience from how things really works. The production over the last 3 years are enclosed our report. You will find it on Dropbox under the headline called Next Level Golf School. Also, links to instruction films are there. We hope film number 1 and 2 gives you the headlines about our PGA education, how we build competence and knowledge and how we measure that students reach his learning outcomes. We are really looking forward you to visit us either this spring or autumn, so that we can show you how these things all work in reality. We will during your visit also make sure that you get to meet all tutors, the staff at Hedmark University College and leaders from the Norwegian Olympic Committee. But until then, thank you for your attention and see you later this year. Goodbye.